Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, well, I hope you like this video and you decide to subscribe. So let's get started. We got our chicken boiling here. We're gonna make some tinga, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail. I'm using 2 chicken breasts, and yeah, I'm just gonna let these cool off for a little bit. While that's going on, I'm gonna be preparing our sauce, which, as you can see, we have tomatoes, garlic, onion, or chile guajillo, that I'm actually not sure if this is used typically for the traditional one. And we have a dehydrated chipotle. I know people use the canned one with the sauce already made. I decided to try it this way, and well, you'll see in the video. I ended up actually using 2 of them, so you'll see right now. And we have our quarter onion, onion super strong. And I actually used the chicken broth. I used about 2 cups of the chicken broth because, well, it was just there and I was just gonna throw it away, so I might as well use it, right? Flavor. So here we go. We're adding our chiles to the water. That's gonna rehydrate them, not dehydrate them. I don't know what I'm talking about. Now we're gonna cut up our onion, and of course, it made me cry. You know what they say, if the onion makes you cry, you're a jealous person. I don't know about all that, but possibly. So I'm gonna mince my garlic, and this is also gonna be for the onion and for the sauteing of the onion. And this is gonna go in the chicken, that shredded chicken. So here we go. We're gonna add up our chiles, and now I'm thinking about it, I actually should have blended my chiles separately, just because I should have just, my blender's not that great, so I'm gonna have to invest in a new one. But yeah, we're gonna add some salt, and this is actually cumin, that little bit of it, that was cumin, and we added some nor. Of course, can't forget about that bouillon, that chicken bouillon, for the extra flavor. And yeah, my editing's like super fast, so I'm trying to talk super fast as well. And I got some olive oil here. It looks like a lot, but it's not. And I got some butter. This is already salted butter, so it's gonna give that extra kick. So that's why I didn't use a lot of salt in my sauce, because everything else already has some salt. So I don't want to, we don't want it to be too salty. So this is what I was referring to. I should have just blended my chili on the side, because I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, the consistency a little bit thicker, but because I blended it all together, I didn't want those pieces of chile in there as well. So just a reference, for future reference, but it still tastes good. It is a little bit more watery, but the flavor was all there. Yeah, it was crazy how I actually got it to taste the same, but with a lot less ingredients, I'm sure, and different ingredients, more natural ingredients per se. Also, I added a little bit less than, I think it was like half a cup, a little less than half a cup of that chicken broth that was left over. And as you can see, the color is there. The consistency not as much, but the color was. And I added some black pepper, some fresh black pepper, ground black pepper. And of course, that's my favorite. I love to add black pepper to almost everything and anything, actually. So we'll just wait for that to cook up. That's gonna be like another 15 minutes or so, just to get that chicken super soft and delicious. And I'm just gonna prep our toppings that I love, and I think a lot of us love. A lot of that tomato. I love tomato, and I love onion. And the reason why you'll see this, okay, you saw the ghost already, but so while I was editing this video, I noticed that the lettuce started moving, but this video is a lot slower. I'm at already like 450 percent sped up. So I mean, that lettuce was moving super slow, but I actually caught it while I was editing. So yeah, I just thought it was kind of weird. Anyway, I just wanted to point that out, but you already saw the little ghost pass by there. I think it's still moving, but I'm not sure. Can't tell. Anyway, so we're gonna prep our tostada, and of course you see all the ingredients, or the toppings actually. So I love me some mayonnaise. I don't know if everybody preps it this way. I've only had tinga at my house, so and I don't think it's a typical dish from where my parents are from, but my mom learned to make it, I think. I'm not sure. It tastes good to me, so I don't know. I actually had it at a restaurant before, but a lot different consistency. The flavor is similar though. Anyway, so of course our lettuce and everything else. I forgot. Not didn't forget. I actually ran out of the Parmesan cheese. That's like one of my favorite toppings to put on this. If you never had it, girl, boy, you missing out. You better try it. That's so good. Usually I don't put that many things on my tostada, but today I decided to, make it look nice, aesthetically pleasing. So, I'm not sure if it's aesthetically pleasing, but anyway. Alright guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I know it's a different recipe. This is my style because, living in the USA, we are in a rush all the time. So I just put a lot less ingredients, but it tastes very similar. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.